Hello, my name is Doug. I'm an associate professor of automotive and advanced transportation at College of the Desert. I'm working with the California Energy Commission to provide some electric school bus training. These short training sessions are meant to introduce you to possibly some new topics. Something important to keep in mind is that this course is not meant to replace any procedures or training provided by the manufacturer. Never perform any service, diagnosis, or maintenance without consulting the manufacturer's repair information. Never disregard any manufacturer's warnings, cautions, or safety directions. And never bypass any safety procedures or systems. Let's get started. Electric school buses make sense. They give us quiet operation, zero emissions. There are some very lucrative grants and incentives for their purchase, and they can reduce the maintenance costs to those operators. This first topic is going to cover basic electrical. Whether you're dealing with 12 volts or 1200 volts, the principles of electricity are the same. We just want to go over a couple of those important principles. So let's take a look at the basic circuit and basic components of any electrical circuit in the automotive industry, or school bus for that matter. We're going to have a battery. We're going to have wiring. Somewhere in that particular circuit, there's going to be a control device. Here I've drawn a switch. You're also going to have some type of circuit protection. Here we're listing a fuse. From there, we're going to go to a load device. It could be a motor, a lamp, a wiper motor, a horn, all kinds of things. This is where we're using the electricity to convert into mechanical energy. More on that later. And then we're going to return that circuit back to the battery. So we have the 5 parts: the power source, the control device, the circuit protection device, and the load, as well as our conductor. And a series circuit is defined as having one path for the electricity to flow. And here's how it works. Electrons are going to flow from the positive post of the battery through the wiring and the switch and the fuse. There's no resistance in those points to the load. And the load does have resistance. And the load's going to convert that electrical energy into mechanical energy. But then it's going to travel back to the battery. It has to have a complete path. So a series circuit is defined as one path. This is the makeup of most circuits in our vehicles. There are other types, and we'll get to those in more detailed training on some of the other face-to-face courses we've developed.